Welcome to the Whurthy Services training video series. This is Module 3, the Customer's Experience. In this second video, we're going to walk through Purchase Package. We'll start by looking at how packages can be hidden or revealed. Then, as a customer, we will order a package. And then finally, we will book with a package as a customer. So now logged in as the customer, I'm just going to show you how when there are no active packages, so for example, if you've not created a package in your Whurthy Services environment, or you've got packages but they are all marked as inactive, then I'm going to show you what this looks like for the customer. So when we start logged in as a customer, first of all, I'm going to click on the hamburger, and then I'm going to click on appointments. Now, you may recall from the previous video, beneath the available appointments link, there was a purchase packages link, so that no longer appears. Another page where you will see reference to packages concerns the link My Booked Appointments, so I'm going to click on that. And the heading previously said My Bookings/Packages. And then finally, clicking on the hamburger once more, I'm going to click on the profile link. So it has appointments and then profile. On the profile page, there is no reference to packages. So now what we're going to do is we're going to switch over to the staff view, look at packages quickly and make them active, and then we'll return to the customer's experience. So now I've switched over to the staff view. As is customary, when we want to look at administration, we're going to glance over to the right-hand sidebar, scroll down, find the administration link, and then click on the Manage Packages button. Just as a reminder, we did cover the setup of packages in the second module, so feel free, if you are not clear on how to manage and set up packages, to watch that video again and then come back to this video to catch up. And so here I've clicked on the Manage Packages link, and I'm in the Packages page, and I can see that I've actually got two packages set up here, both of which are inactive. There's this red row trying to get our attention. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the 5-pack for the Deep Tissue Massage package, and then I'm going to edit it. So click on the Edit Package button, and then I'll change the package active to Yes. I will scroll down, and I will then click on the Update Package button. And so just to confirm, I've got the success flash message at the top of the page. And sure enough, that title row now has a blue background. So now I'm going to return back to the customer's view. So now, having made those changes behind the scenes, hopefully that's not confused you, but the intention was just to demonstrate the difference for an environment when there are no packages versus when there are. And the advantage is that this should give you a minimal peace of mind, in the sense that if you don't offer or sell packages, then you just don't have to worry about it. It's in effect a transparent feature. But if you do, then you can have peace of mind knowing that the customer is going to be presented with packages. Now, remember, when we have packages active, if as a customer or even as staff, I go and search for a service, any related packages will be presented as an upsell if I've turned that feature on. Now, if I haven't turned the offer the package upsell feature on, packages will still be available in a more passive context. In other words, that's what we're going to focus on for the rest of this video, is the customer has come in and is actively looking to purchase a package. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the Whurthy Services logo here at the top of the page, and that will serve to refresh the page. And immediately notice the Whurthy links in the middle of the page now Purchase Packages displays. And remember, I commented in a previous video that the Whurthy links at the bottom here are pretty much identical to when we click the hamburger. So now I can click on Appointments, and now Purchase Packages shows. And then finally, if I click on Profile, it now at the top of my profile notes that I don't have any active packages and that I can click on the button to purchase a package. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and just, since I'm here, I'll click on the Purchase Package button. And so now, because I only have one package active, that's the one package that's displaying. So I'll just click on this button, purchase package here. And so now what it's done is it has initiated the workflow for that package to be purchased. So now I've returned to the staff view, and I'm going to show you just very quickly how that is processed. I'm logged in as staff, as that prepayment coordinator. I've got a task here. I would have received an email as well, letting me know that this task has been assigned to me. It's really quite straightforward. I just click on the link for the task. I can scroll down, and in the description, it gives me all the information that I need. So in this case, they provided a phone number. That's pretty easy. I can get their credit card or payment method from them, run that through our regular point of sale system. And then when that's all done, I'm going to click on the booking link. That takes me right into the prepaid package page. I can click on the update package button. I will then check the amount due as paid, and I'll update the booking. And so now that's taken care of. So now when I return to that previous task page, I'm just going to click on edit task just for my own sort of tracking, and I'm going to mark that it's completed. I'll scroll down, collected, customer paid by credit card, for example, and this is where you could enter in like an authorization number, however it is you process, and I'm going to update the task. So that concludes the staff's part in processing that payment for the prepaid package. Now that that's done, we can return back to the customer's experience. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to refresh the page. Now we can see the title row for the package has changed from red to green, and we can see that it's marked as paid. So once that payment step is taken care of, it's really quite straightforward from here, because as you may recall, when we were making bookings with the package, when the package was paid, then any related booking, any booking with the same service as the package would be automatically marked as paid, and the credits would be deducted as that happens, all the way up until including the recurring bookings as well. So one option you might do, for example, because recurring bookings can be offered up to units of 6, so there can be the original booking plus 5 recurring bookings, you may as a default package have a 6-pack. And with that 6-pack of services, then a customer can come in, they can take advantage of the offer recurring bookings upsell. They then are presented with the 5 recurring bookings and the original booking. They can check all 5 and use that 6-pack package in one go and have all of those bookings paid for. And so there are a number of different strategies you can use when it comes to setting up packages and how you can support the customer in having an even more straightforward experience. I'm now going to proceed with a booking. So I'm going to click on the hamburger, appointments, available appointments, the packages for 60-minute deep tissue massage. So I will search out, I will try for the 3rd 60-minute deep tissue massage, click on openings. And now I'm going to scroll down, take a look for an appointment time, maybe 1 p.m. works for me. And I'm going to click on the book opening button. So now there are 2 additional elements that are going to come forward because we've left 2 features active. That's the offer recurring bookings upsell and offer the package upsell. So I can see here I have got the recurring bookings, so I can go ahead and maybe select those recurring bookings. Since I know I have a 5-pack package, I'm going to select 5 of them, for example, and it's letting me know that I have this prepaid package available and that there are 5 credits remaining. And so now I'm going to click on the confirm booking button. So what should happen here is I should end up with 5 bookings as this customer. All of the 5 credits for the prepaid package will be used. It will then be marked in effect as done, and the 5 bookings should be marked as paid. So I'm going to confirm the booking. So now once we've completed that booking, Whurthy sends the customer to their bookings packages page. And this looks very similar to the staff experience. I can see in the bottom right-hand corner that the message from my email client is letting me know that that confirmation email has arrived. It will, as the customer, show me all of the bookings, the original booking and all of the recurring bookings. So now I'm going to review the My Bookings packages here so I can see the original package that now has no credits remaining, which is completely per my expectations. I already had one booking, so I'm going to count the 5 that I've just made. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then when I click on the pagination button, I can see the 5th package that's there as well. So that concludes our walkthrough of Purchase Package. Whurthy, value made easy.